Namaste to all health and nature lovers. Welcome to my channel Pratibha's Organic Hub.
Today in this video we are going to learn how to make sprouts at home. The method I am sharing is very unique, healthy, simple and easy. The sprouts we get in this method are very healthy and clean without any stickiness, mold formation or foul smell. For the preparation of this superfood we just need containers with lids. You can take plastic or glass containers with lids. It's good to use separate containers for various types of grains. Now take plastic lids and do holes. I found this the simple and best way to make holes. Just take a screwdriver and heat it. With this we can make holes easily on the plastic lids. If you have any other hack, share it with me on the comment section. Do as many holes you can. Now the lids are ready. If you make this step for once, you can use it every time to make sprouts easily. All the methods which I have used earlier are very time consuming. At the same time, the yield is also not that satisfactory. I am taking green gram and fenugreek seeds. You can take lentils, seeds, grains, nuts of your choice. Take green gram into a bowl and wash them properly. Make sure to remove stones and other dust particles. Collect the washed grains into the container. Add required amount of water and soak them well. I am adding 5 cups of water for 1 cup of grains. The ratio should be like 1:5. Repeat the same process with fenugreek seeds. Collect the washed grains into a container. Add required amount of water and soak them well. Soak them at least for 12 hours. I am soaking them in the evening. Let's see the grains in the next day morning. You can notice the grains soaked very well. They became soft and swollen and they are ready to sprout. Now drain off the water using strainer. Make sure to wash the grains and container once more. Now add the soaked grains into the same container and put on the lid. To the one we made holes. Now we are done with green gram. Repeat the same process with fenugreek seeds. Strain the fenugreek seed water but don't discard it. This fenugreek seed water is very good for overall health. This water can be used in the preparation of buttermilk. You can use this water to rinse your hair to get rid of problems like dandruff and itchy scalp. Consuming this water on empty stomach in the mornings helps to get rid of diabetes and hormonal imbalances. Now wash the grains and the container properly. Add the soaked seeds into the container and put on the lid. Keep the containers undisturbed at least for 24 to 30 hours. Keep away from sunlight. It will take 1 day to sprout. In the next day morning, the green gram sprouted well. You can see fenugreek seeds also started sprouting. It needs more time to sprout well. It takes around 30 hours to sprout well. Now let's see the sprouts. You can see how well they got sprouted. The sprouts are very clean and healthy without any stickiness, foul smell or mold formation. We can store them freshly for about 1 week. Transfer the sprouts into the airtight container and refrigerate. If you want the sprouts to be healthy for about 1 week, just follow this tip. This tip is very good to keep the sprouts fresh and healthy for longer duration. Just take a tissue, fold it properly and keep it on the sprouts. Make sure to put on the lid tightly. Now let us explore some of the fascinating health benefits of sprouts. Sprouts are the superfood which are extremely nutritious, rich in protein content and also fiber. For best results, have the sprouts for the breakfast. Regular intake of the sprouts is very good for overall health. Sprouts are the superfood which helps to get rid of diabetes, obesity and also hormonal imbalances. Sprouts are very good for skin and hair. Sprouts are also very good in preventing and reducing the risk of cancer. That's all for today friends. Then what you are waiting for? Incorporate this kind of superfoods in your regular diets without any procrastination.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Pratibha's Organic Hub. Stay tuned for more fascinating natural health and beauty videos. Till then keep smiling. Thank you.